Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll create this look for you.
Knock knock, wintertime makeup look. Let's create it.
Myglamm Tinted Perfection Base Primer and Pore Minimizer. I'm using this Myglamm primer to create the base for my look. Blending primer properly by the process of dabbing.
This is a wet sponge.
Really very important. Here I am dabbing and it's a nice coverage primer. It has been complete. It is a great pore minimizer. So let's complete it. Myglamm Pose HD foundation. It comes in tube and it has color variation. So you can choose your color. I'm using this. Blending it properly so that it will give a natural look, and I'm using cream base foundation because it's winters. Yes guys, I'm giving all the buying links in the description box. You can go and check it out if you want to buy. The more you will blend, the better your base will be created. That is why I'm completing the look completely. So, Myglamm Pose HD banana powder. I'm giving the final touch to my base with this banana powder, and this is really giving me an HD finish. You can also buy it, guys. Believe me, this is really nice. POPXO Makeup Collection Drama Queen 4 Eyeshadow Kit by exclusively Myglamm. Here I am defining the crease of my eyes with light brown color. The brush I am using is a bullet brush. Smudging the color properly with your brush is an art which creates your eyes natural but a beautiful look. Applying the deeper shade of brown of this palette on my eyelids hole. Less makeup material and more smudging will change the game, the way you look. Guys, do subscribe my channel, support me. I will make more better videos for all of you. Creating different look with easy way is my main motto. Here I am done with my eyeshadow. Creating a line with this eyeshadow at my waterline. It will give a different effect to my makeup. You can have a look. The rose gold in this eyeshadow palette is a beautiful effect which is giving to my eyes. Look at this. Wow, nice pigmentation. Myglamm Jet Set Eyeliner Kajal, and this is lit. Applying it with a small brush. Myglamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Deterview. I'll apply as an eyeliner. It will give me a wintry look, colorful look. Curling lashes is very important.
Use as mascara. This is a Myglamm Twisted Mascara in the range uh, lit. See this mascaras, twist formula, and this is so good. I'm just loving to use this in this way. Now in the upper side of my lashes, I will use this in this way.
Myglamm Chills palette.
Now more pampering to my face with this palette, which is Myglamm Chills It palette, which has bronzer, which is I'm using it because my face is round, so I use bronzer in this stroke. Let's go with the blusher. It has extra material. Wipe out. From the apple area, I would like to stretch it on till my cheeks. Here is my favorite part, put on for my highlighter, which is this on this palette. I will highlight the highlighting part of my face, which is the higher part of my face. Without highlighter, I can't do, friends.
Myglamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Cuffing. I'm using on my lips to create this look. This is a bling color, beautiful magenta color, and it is giving me a complete bling winter look. And in winters, I just love to wear deep colors. And daytime, it is lit. This range of Myglamm lipstick is non-transferable, so you can use it for longer time also. You can see the pigmentation of the color is too good. The formula is comfortable. The applicator is really loving. Giving shape to my lips with this applicator is more easier and happier.
The brush is really comfortable. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. I am giving the buying link into the description box. The color is also really good.
Guys, support me and subscribe my channel.
So this is my complete look of winter time.
Don't forget to hit the bell button on.